Christmas morning, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Did you hear the boyfriend? Merry Christmas. Vincent, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
That was the boyfriend. Not sure if you could hear that. Here's Vincent. Merry Christmas, Vincent. She's being a bah humbug today. Vincent needs her Scrooge. Oh, Merry Christmas, Roxy. It's Roxy's very first Christmas with us. She's so excited about it, as you can tell. Baron. And Lily. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Lily. Merry Christmas, Baron. Oh. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mummy.
Merry Christmas, daughter.
So, like I said, we're not opening Christmas presents today like we usually do on Christmas because we're waiting for the whole family to be together on Saturday. And we're gonna make a big breakfast. We're gonna have that French onion soup for lunch, so I'll show you the rest of making that. It's been in the fridge overnight. And then for dinner, we're having the prime rib roast. I'm making some truffled potatoes gratin and a salad. And then the boyfriend's brother brought some bread pudding that he made. He was telling us about it last night. It sounds delicious. Other than that, we're just gonna hang out here all day. No big plans, just a bunch of cooking. Got up at about 5:30 and edited the videos from the last 2 days. That's rendering right now. It says it's gonna take 5 hours to render, even though it's just 20 minutes. I think that's because of the 2 clips at the beginning of me cleaning the bathroom and my office that I sped up because those were really long. Those were like 15 or 20 minutes each. Hopefully that comes out well. When I speed something up like that, I can't preview it because when I play it, it's just really jumpy. I can't see how it actually looks until it's all rendered. So hope it came out okay. They got their Christmas duds on, their little Christmas outfits. Hi, Roxy. Hi, Bear. You two look so nice. And Lily has her Christmas collar, don't you, Lily? Mimosas with breakfast. Just wanted to show you I'm not the only one with a giant drink this morning, this Christmas morning. There's my mimosa, there's one for the boyfriend, one for the mother. Here you go, the mother.
I want the other one that has more in it.
We'll switch it out. Does not have more in it, maybe a tiny.
Wait, see, I saw the difference.
Okay, you're right. I'll give the boyfriend the
16th of a milliliter.
I'll give the boyfriend the tiny mimosa. Here's,
oh my God!
Here's the small one. Yeah.
Yeah, it was like a
Well, where's the big one in the bathtub?
No, it's right here.
Roxy, you're so cute in your Christmas dress.
Oh my God!
Baron, you look sad on Christmas. Don't be sad on Christmas. Do you need a mimosa? My mother has finished up the breakfast for us. We've got bacon and her famous gravy and eggs. Look, she's cooking with 2 hands, stirring 2 different things with 2 hands. See, boyfriend, what I tell you about women knowing how to multitask?
Well, this looks fine for me, but what are y'all gonna eat?
And I'm okay with this.
Typical American breakfast. Delicious. I know some of you don't eat eggs for breakfast. Y'all think that's weird,
Yeah.
but...
Or those of you in Italy.
In Italy in particular, yes, we learned that there. Christmas beggars. Working on the herbed potato gratin, how do you say that? And I'm gonna add some truffle oil in it. I did that in another recipe a couple years ago. It was excellent. So I've got those potatoes sliced up so far with the mandolin. I'm gonna do this potato next. Just brushed olive oil onto the French bed slices, put them in the oven, 325 degrees, 15 minutes for each side. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the brandy. Each of these is a half tablespoon, so I'm doing 6 of them. All right, that should make that French onion soup better. I added half an onion here and some Gruyere cheese. Okay, I've got the potatoes ready to go in the oven. Layers of the potatoes with salt and pepper and cheese and onion. It's like 3 layers of that. All right, the French onion soup is out of the oven and ready to eat once it's reached the temperature that it's eatable. Looks pretty good. The bread and the cheese and everything. It's bubbling around the edges. Yeah.
Everything's on fire.
Or that's on Netflix streaming.
We went on a walk and Roxy is very tired. She heard her name though. I'm way across the room and she heard her name. Okay. Sam,
Yeah, she's very attentive.
I'm this far away and she heard that. I'm whispering.
Can I take a picture of sleeping?
Here's the prime rib roast. Came out of the oven. It's been sitting. We're hoping it's delicious. Looks pretty good. Got a salad going on here with olive oil and blackberry dressing. We've got wine. We've got bread pudding coming later.
Then we got this coming out of the oven.
We have, oh yes, oh wow. It's Yorkshire pudding over there. And these are the potatoes gratin. Those look bubbly and good.
This is pretty impressive looking.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Man, is that the Yorkshire pudding?
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
Oh my gosh.
I've never seen Yorkshire pudding, really, I guess.
All right, go ahead.
Gotta find this
Horror for Christmas when we went wine tasting.
thread
my
and cut
sister
that.
went for the
So we'll start on this
You
end.
can smell it, see. Very nice.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Horseradish sauce to go with the meat and everything. Potatoes, Yorkshire pudding, salad, sparkly water, wine. It says Bogle's Zinfandel.
That bird loves
The girls are on the floor
television.
being good, but Baron has decided to raise his chances of getting something off the table by jumping into the chair. Well, the kitchen, as you can see, is a wreck. Isn't it, Vincent? She gave us some entertainment during dinner, some whistling. But yes, the kitchen is a wreck. These are how, I don't remember if I showed you these, I think I did. The potatoes gratin turned out. That's what's left of the 3 rib prime rib. So Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you had a great Christmas. I wanted to tell you about my plans for vlogging through the rest of this month at least. So I'm not going to vlog every day anymore, but when I have something interesting to vlog about, I will, such as this Saturday, our other family Christmas party, and we may do some other things this weekend that I vlog. We'll see. It's going to be all family stuff, so it just depends. Y'all seem to like the vlogging, a lot of you, so I may keep that up. Again, not on a daily basis. I can't sustain that kind of schedule where I'm getting up at 3:30 in the morning to edit. But every once in a while, maybe I can do vlogs if I'm doing something interesting. And in January, I will get back to the handbag videos that brought you here in the first place. The last reflection question was, who in 2018 made the biggest impact on you? And I'm gonna say Roxy. Roxy, there she is. You made a big impact on me. And you know why? Because I lost my Sebastian and you helped everything get better. You did, because you have such a sweet personality and we got to help you out and you filled that void. Such a sweet girl. She keeps us entertained and busy, and she has started playing. I don't have that on video yet, but she has started like roughhousing and playing with me. I have all kinds of scratches and things on my fingers. Can you see that? She's a little nutcase. We just learned more about her. Yeah, Vincent agrees. We just learn more about her all the time. She's really fun. So who in 2018 made the biggest impact on you? Leave that in the comment section below. So I'm gonna sign off for Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it. Merry Christmas again, or Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. And I'll see you again soon. Bye guys.